Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. Hey, we're at the Mondrian West Village, and this is inside the tower. We're gonna do a detailed walkthrough of this 3-bedroom at the Mondrian West Village. So let's walk in and let's scoot around so you can see it. There's a lot to see here, so I'm gonna be somewhat more brief than usual, but look at this. Isn't this beautiful? So this is this very, very large room that's here. It's pretty amazing. And it's got a lot of space, so you can put a lot of furniture in. This is a great space for 3 people. This is going to be super fun area. You can have a lot of people over and enjoy this area. And of course, yes, you do have a balcony. We'll see that a little bit more in a minute, but you've got a nice balcony over there. And then you've got just some really nice kitchen area. We'll explore that too. This is the dining area. You've got a really nice breakfast area. Look at this large window. Don't you love this? This is like greatness. I love this window that's here. So you've got that, and then here is the kitchen. The kitchen's really cool. This is renovated. It's got some beautiful countertops. Those are really nice. Quartz countertops, and then hey, new appliances. So these are nice new appliances. Stainless, beautiful area. Huge pantry there too, by the way. Okay, so we've walked through this area. So now, hey, let's take a look out on the balcony, because part of the big draw of this is, hey, you get to be in the West Village. So let's look at that, and that's out here. So this is a fun location in the West Village. This is Blackburn, and so just really right around the corner is 75, so really convenient access to get out. There is the drive up to the Mondrian, just right around there. It's really pretty with fountains, and this is a tower, so it really does go high. You're in a high-rise in the West Village Uptown area. If you walk this way just a little bit, and it's super easy to walk, you're going to be able to get to the West Village in 2 or 3 minutes walking. It's just right around the corner. So really nice. This is a very big, very large balcony too. So now we're going to do a part 2, and the part 2 is going to cover, we're going to walk there and see the bathrooms and the bedrooms. So let's do that in the part 2. And by the way, if you like this video, like this video on YouTube. It just helps us make sure that we really are on target for what you like. And so like this video, and hey, now we're going to go to part 2.